Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I have another review for you. What am I talking about? Good old Vasline. Now this is the first time I am using this. I have seen it online but I have never tried it. So I decided to give it a try. So as you can see, this is big. Like it's 600 ml and that is about 20 ounces. Yeah. And this claims is a daily brightening, even tone lotion from Vasline. Does it work? Doesn't that? All right, so this was about 16 euros. Yeah, it's quite affordable for its size, 600 ml. Like that's a lot. Now, is the pink Vasline, okay? You know, Vasline goes with colors. We have the pink, the yellow, the green, the brown. So this is the pink Vasline. And it says it contains Vasline jelly and it contains vitamin B3. Now, it's with triple sunscreens. So it contains sunscreen. Like, that's very good, especially during the warmer, sunnier seasons. And this claims that, you know, you're going to see radiant skin after 2 weeks. Is it true or not? So this claims to be a healing product to help people living in crisis and disaster care for their skin. Our daily brightening lotion, powered by the same extraordinary Vasline jelly, deeply moisturizes to soothe dry skin for visible radiance in 2 weeks. Now, what do I think about this? I love it. I love it. Now you can see the lotion is pink and it smells good. I don't know, I think it smells like a rose, but it smells good. It has, you know, a very light kind of flavor added to it. And as you can see, a little bit goes a long way. You put it on your skin and okay. So you can see now, I must say the downside with this product here is the fact that it contains sunscreen. It's very good, but then I think the sunscreen they added is not very compatible with darker skin. As you can see, it's kind of leaving a white cast on my skin. Yeah, maybe if you have very light skin you wouldn't see that, but then you can see it leaves kind of a white cast on my skin, so I have to kind of rub, but then after you leave it to sit for about 10-15 minutes, it goes away. So yes, it's not bad. You have to wrap some more and you have to wait for it to, you know, the white cast to actually kind of melt away or kind of disappear. So for dark skin, you know, it can be kind of a sort of a struggle. It can be a struggle, you know, with a white cast because you look like a ghost. Now, apart from that, is it a good product? Yes. And I'm definitely gonna buy this again. One, is not greasy. It doesn't leave your skin greasy. And you can see the consistency is on the watery side. Like it's very light. It's not thick. Very light. So you can see it's, you know, it's pressed very easily. You can use this for your face and you can just use it for your body. But I use it for my body. And I must say it really hydrates my skin. That's a Brighten. It gives you a glow after you've used it for about 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, I mean, it walks the talk. It gives you a very subtle glow after about 2 or 3 weeks. And this is a lot of product. So I mean, 600 ml can last you for, you know, a month or 2, depending on how often you use it. So yes, this is the first time I'm using it and I'm loving it. I'm definitely gonna get this Vasline Daily Brightening Lotion again. If you're looking for an affordable, glowy skin, you know, lotion, then you should give this a try because 16 euros is affordable for 600 ml of products and it does deliver. The only downside is with the sunscreen. If you have dark skin, as you can see, is gonna give you a little bit of a white cast, but then after you wait for about 10-15 minutes, it's gonna disappear. So you can't use it and step out. You're gonna look like kind of white, yeah? apart from that, it's a great product and I'm definitely going to buy this again. Smells good and it does hydrate and gives you that natural glow. Okay, so this is it. A great product. I give it an 8 out of 10 because of the white cast it leaves on, dark skin. It would have been 10 out of 10, but then that's the downside and I have to be honest. So this is it, guys. Have you ever tried this Vasline brightening lotion? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.